Good BFM, this is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feast. And guys, I just wanted to drop a quick little note basically about it's starting to get a little cooler outside, starting to become that season where soups and stews are perfect for everyone. So starting October 1, twice a week, hopefully, I'm going to be dropping videos twice a week. So once on Friday like I always do, and then one other time during the week, I don't know what day, I'm going to try to drop a soup or a stew. Something very hearty for everyone during the cold season, starting to get cold, winter's coming. But soups and stews are going to be the specialty. I'm calling it my soup series. So be on the lookout for that. Now if I don't drop one twice a week, don't kill me. It sometimes can be tough. But hey guys, if you enjoy the videos, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to all the videos. Make sure you share them. But hey guys, I just wanted to leave that quick note. You guys have a good day. Peace.